Attorney, nasan si Pastor?
Oh, ayan. Panoorin nyo ito mga animal na to. Wait lang, sandali. In-interview nila at buti na lang to si attorney, matalino, at saka, ito ha. Play natin uli.
Attorney, nasan si Pastor? Yan.
Yan din ang tanong ko kung saan siya ngayon exactly. Oo, that's also my question. And that is why siguro kaya nangyayari itong maraming problema po ngayon.
Pero kayo po ba yung nakapag-usap lately?
Lately, wala po. The last time that I was able to talk to him was a long discussion prior to the issuance of the warrant of arrest issued by the Senate.
You haven't talked to him since the warrants were released?
Yes, I was not able to talk to him, but it was a long discussion before that was issued. We already talked about certain scenarios as to what would happen because somehow he was able to foresee that these things may happen. So that is why I can talk for him based on his last instructions to me.
Attorney, agree ba kayo sa statement ni former President Digong na overkill yung raid?
Ito na. Simula na yung magiging mga sarcastic nito mga gunggong na to.
It was not only an overkill. I do believe, I have reasonable grounds to believe that it was even illegal, no? And why do I say that? Because under Rule 113, Section 11 of the revised rules on criminal procedure or rules on criminal procedure, there are three requisites, no? Before you can actually enter, a police officer can enter any enclosures or dwelling. And I believe that at least two, and there is even ground to believe that all three are not present in this case. And why do I say that? Because the first requisite states that the public officer, that the person to be arrested is or is reasonably believed to be in said building.
Oh, yun ang unang tatlong elemento daw. Number 1, dapat talagang meron kang reason na pinaniniwalaan na talagang naandun sa loob yun. Yung tao na huhulihin mo. Doon pa lang sablay na. Bakit? 2 beses mo nang ni-raid, wala dun eh. So sa tingin mo, babalik pa yun dun. Doon pa lang, bagsak na. Second element.
Second, that the police officer has announced his purpose and authority to make the arrest. And
Ayan. Pangalawa, dapat sasabihin mo. Mag-a-announce ka. Tandaan nyo ha, itong binabasa niya, batas to ha. Ito ho'y batas. Hindi ito opinion. Ito'y dapat sundin. Malinaw?
then thirdly, the third requisite is that he has requested and been denied admittance. Now, as to the first requisite po, this is
Ibig sabihin, pagka dininay, doon na, pwede mo na. Wala nga eh. Paano i-deny?
been grievously violated because the operation, the raid, was conducted simultaneously in 4 different locations. Number 1,
Ito malinaw to ha. Kasi importante yung elemento na sure ka na naandoon. Okay? Kaya pwede mo i-serve doon at pwersahin pasukin kung nag-deny. Una, hindi mo nga sinabi. Kaya ano kay di-deny kung hindi mo sinabi? Ito yung 4 na sabay-sabay yung raid. Kaya ang ganda ng paliwanag ni attorney dito, 4 yun sabay-sabay na raid. Asan si Kibuloy doon? Ano siya? Ang alam ko, appointed son of God siya. Hindi siya hindi, mali. Tama. Oo. Hindi siya son of God. Magkaiba yun. Di ba? Ano ibig ko sabihin? Kung sigurado kang, halimbawa, si Jay Guevara, sigurado kung nasa sabungan siya. Hahanapin ko din ba siya sa basketball court? Hahanapin ko din ba siya sa grocery? Hahanapin ko din ba siya sa bahay niya? Hindi. Alam ko kasi nasa sabungan siya. Kaya doon ako magsiserve ng warrant. Dito, sabay-sabay na pinasok.